5 proven weight loss tips that actually works. Whether or not you believe in Santa Claus, most of us will still be secretly wishing for a miraculous weight reduction for Christmas this year. Packing on the pounds during the holidays is common. The festive season brings with it plenty of parties and potlucks that put your diet effort on the back burner. Number 1. Keep yourself hydrated. You would not lose weight just by drinking water. However, if you follow a strict diet but deprive yourself of adequate water, you can likely to lose less weight and take longer to lose it too. Water induces body thermogenesis, a process that revs up the metabolism and aids the caloric burning process. Number 2. Never miss breakfast. Furthermore, when you go without food for too long, your body releases ghrelin, the hunger hormone, into your blood. This explains the hunger pangs and you get by lunchtime. When you skip breakfast, it also exacerbates craving for fatty foods. Number 3. Eat more fruits. If you are struggling to keep yourself from snacking on a high-calorie treat or two, try replacing them with fruits. Getting yourself in the habit of snacking on fruits instead of cookies, candies, and chocolate bars will give you weight loss effort the boost it needs. Number 4. Watch your alcohol intake. Alcohol is a high-caloric beverage. While drinking alcohol may not bloat you up, giving it up alone may transform your body. Studies indicate that alcohol intake may hamper the weight loss process in a number of ways. Moderate alcohol consumption increases caloric intake and the appetite, according to the 2005 study published in Critical Reviews in Clinical Laboratory Sciences. Number 5. Turn off the TV. Many of you may have noticed you tend to overeat when you eat dinner sitting in front of TV or binge watching a new sitcom on your laptop. This happens because you are engrossed in the show and distracted from paying attention to what you are putting in your mouth.